Kavinder, congratulations for your contract. Pratap, congratulations for your Ausbildung contract. Sagar, congratulations for your Ausbildung contract. Sumit Sharma, congratulations for your Ausbildung contract. Sumit Pathak, Sumit Sharma, congratulations for your Ausbildung program. Yash Panchal, congratulations for your Ausbildung contract. All the best, guys. Hello, Anirudh.
Hi, sir.
Congratulations for getting contract from an employer from Germany, and many congratulations. Hope your further processes are done in time. So again, many congratulations.
Thank you so much. I'm very grateful for giving me this opportunity to go outside and live my life, live my dreams. Thank you so much.
Welcome.